Okay, let's lift off. So this is the flight after the repair. It's a very blustery day, so I don't know whether I could learn much about the trimming, and whether I've got a lot of confidence with the nose in either. It's, the winds are gusting. It's difficult. So it's gone quite still at the moment, but the winds are gusting 20 or 30 miles an hour. So we're sharply heading up over the trees. Unless lost it in the sun then. Oh! Let's go the other way around, see what my nephew's up to. Where's he gone? Oh, he's playing with the curling stone, look. There he is. I won't be able to learn much about the smoothness of the onboard video either, I suspect. Gosh, it's windy. Well, at least she flies. Oh, it's all over the place. Quite a handful. I don't think the trim is too bad. I had it tethered to a block of wood last night and set up the blade tracking. That required a full turn on the fine adjustment linkages. I've got the extreme ones on, which are great. Yeah, the landing skids were a bit of a pain to put on. The skid pipes through the landing struts. These are the cheaper flasher spares, and gosh, they had me grunting and cursing. Oh, it looks like he's found my helicopter back, look. You be careful with that, Ben. Well, as you can see, the snow's gone. Gosh, nose in's hard in this wind. Enough of that. Right, I think we'll land. We've proved it works anyway. Back to normal mode. Gosh, this is tricky. And there she goes. Thanks for watching all. Take care now.